Method 1. The Eisenhower Matrix. The Eisenhower Matrix, named after former US President Dwight D. Eisenhower, categorizes tasks based on two dimensions: urgency and importance. This method helps you distinguish between tasks that require immediate attention and those that can wait or be delegated. How did Eisenhower come up with this method? Military experience. During World War II, Eisenhower led massive military operations, including the D-Day invasion, Normandy landing. He had to quickly determine which tasks were critically important and which could be postponed or delegated. This forced him to classify tasks based on urgency and importance, the principle he followed. Eisenhower often quoted philosopher Dwight L. Morrow: "I have two kinds of problems, urgent and important. Urgent things are not always important, and important things are not always urgent." This idea became the foundation of his time management system. Popularization in productivity studies. In 1989, Stephen Covey included this concept in his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, which made the method widely known in the field of time management. Steps to use the Eisenhower Matrix. First step: divide tasks into 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, urgent and important. Tasks that require immediate attention, such as deadlines or crises. Quadrant 2, important but not urgent. Tasks related to long-term goals, such as planning, learning, or relationship building. Quadrant 3, urgent but not important. Tasks that can be delegated or eliminated, often interruptions or trivial requests. Quadrant 4, not urgent and not important. Distractions or time-wasting activities like excessive social media browsing. Second step, act accordingly. Focus on tasks in Quadrant 1 immediately. Schedule, allocate time for Quadrant 2 tasks to prevent them from becoming urgent. Delegate, assign Quadrant 3 tasks to others if possible. Eliminate, minimize, or avoid Quadrant 4 tasks altogether. Third step, reassess regularly. Priorities can shift, so update your matrix frequently to stay aligned with your goals. Benefits: clear visualization of priorities, encourages long-term thinking by emphasizing Quadrant 2 tasks. Example: Quadrant 1, do it now, crises, deadlines. Quadrant 2, plan it, strategic goals, self-improvement. Quadrant 3, delegate it, interruptions, unnecessary meetings. Quadrant 4, avoid it, social media, time-wasting activities. Subscribe and leave a comment on how perfect or unworthy this method is.